In the event of data loss or corruption within your Amazon Elastic File System, EFS, swift recovery is paramount to maintain business continuity. With Veeam Backup for AWS, you can restore your EFS data quickly, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum data integrity. Hi, I'm Julia with Veeam, and today we'll guide you through how to perform an EFS recovery with Veeam Backup for AWS. Let's go! First, let's simulate the deletion of one of our file systems. You'll see a notification saying that this action cannot be undone. Go ahead. Now, if we refresh it, we'll see that it has indeed been deleted. Go to Veeam Backup and Replication and open your Veeam Backup for AWS console. Now go to Protected Data and click on the EFS tab. Select the file system that you want to restore. Click Restore, and here you have two options: to restore the entire EFS or perform a file level recovery. We'll pick entire EFS. Now you have to add a restore point. So select the file system that you want to restore, and we'll pick the only restore point that we have. Here you have to select an IAM role that has the necessary permissions to perform the restore operation. You can add a new one and check the permissions, or you can grant temporary access keys just to perform this operation. Click Next. On the restore mode, you can choose to restore to the original location, or you can restore to a new location with different settings. We'll choose the original location. Here, give the restore a reason. And then finally, you get a summary and you can click Finish. Now let's go back to our AWS console and let's refresh it, and we'll see that our EFS is back up and running. And there you have it. Your Amazon Elastic File System data is now fully restored, safeguarding your critical file assets. With Veeam Backup for AWS, EFS recovery is made effortless, empowering you to swiftly overcome any data-related challenges. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll continue to explore the extensive features of Veeam Backup for AWS. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear you in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content releases. Thanks for watching!